Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you best free of cost screen recorder software for Windows computer. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly what you need to do is just open any web browser and in the Google search just search for the application name as ShareX. Search this applications and on the first list you will see its official website. Just click on it. Now you can see its official website, right? So below you can see your download. You can click on the download to download this software, but I highly recommend to go to the developer website by clicking on the source. And on the right side you can see here below release. Just click on it. And now below you can see your assets. If you don't see the below file icons, just click on this assets to view the hidden files. So here you will see a setup.exe, or you can use a portable file also, which you can use without installing the software on your computer hard disk. And if you want a setup file, then you can download a setup. So I'll be downloading the setup file. So let me download it firstly. Wait for a few seconds. So the file has been downloaded. So let me go to the folder where it is being downloaded and let me close the web browser. So you can see here the software installer. Just double click it to run the software installer. Click on I accept, click on next, click on next. So you can add some additional shortcuts, but I will not add any additional shortcuts right now. I'll just untick and I'll just create a desktop shortcut only. So finally we have successfully installed. So you can see your icon gets appeared, that is the shortcut icon. So you can just enable this to start it automatically once you click on finish, or you can just untick it if you want to manually start it. So I'll just click on finish, wait for a few seconds. So now you can see the user interface of this software, right? So it has tons of features, but I'm not going to talk about all the features it's going to provide. You can use this software as a screenshot or the screen capturing tool also, but I will only talk about the screen recording features you can have using this software. So you can see here under the capture option, right? Just click on it and now you can see a tons of options to select. If you want to take a full screenshot, then you can use this full screen. If you want a window some, so if you want a monitor, if you want a region, tons of features. So before proceeding, you can see here one option written text settings, right? Just click on it. Now under the text settings on the left side, just below the capture, you can see here screen recorder. Just click on it. And now on the right top corner you can see here screen recording options. Just click on it. So before proceeding, I highly recommend to download this FFmpeg, because you will be needing this if you want to use the screen recording features of this software. Just click on download, wait for a few seconds. So finally we have successfully downloaded this codec file named as FFmpeg. So you can see here it already turned on the light green color. That means we have successfully downloaded and installed it, which is needed by this software in order to run your screen recording features. So just click on OK. Now here you can see some video codecs, right? So you can select some video codecs, like if you want an MP4, by default it's being selected MP4, that is H.264/X264 is the MP4, and you can select some more options like when the GIF, WebP. So you can select here before screen recording. And you can select the audio codecs also. AAC is by default selected, and you can see if you want the MP3, then you can select the MP3. Base outputs are available for you, and then you can increase the bitrate also if you wish. I will keep it as it is right now. So our needed file has been installed successfully. Now here you can see your screen recording FPS. By default it is 30 fps. You can increase it or you can just put a value. I'll just keep it as 30 only, and you can change the GIF FPS also. And here you can see some more options like start recording after 0.0 seconds. You can add a timer also. So I'll just keep all the default settings as it is. So our needed file has been downloaded. Now just go to the capture options and you can see your screen recording, right? Just click on it. Now you will see this kind of pointer, right? So now if you want to capture the full screen, it is auto detected, and if you just want to select some area, say if you want to just take this position, and it is already started. As you can see, the timer has been counted. So now your recording is started with the selected region. So once you are done, just click on stop. Now your video, that is the screen recorded file, has been saved automatically. So you can just click on it to open this file. So you can see your is being recorded. So if you want to access where this file is located on your Windows hard disk drive, then just go to this PC and just go to documents, and now here you will see one folder name as share access. Open it, and now here you will see a screenshots, right? Just open this file, just open this file again. Voila, now you have a screen recorded file under this folder. So using this free of cost screen recorder or Windows computer, you can record very easily and totally free of cost. So if you never known about this cool and useful software, then definitely you should try it out. And if you find this video information useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.